Alright YouTube, so welcome back to my channel again, and here you can see that's a mini speaker. I can say it's a quite good quality speaker. I took it out from this Bluetooth speaker. Here you can see that's a kit and that's a battery inside, and as the back side it's what to say, the retro kind of thing, like old cassette player. It looks like that, kind of that. So here this thing is connected to this 2.1 amplifier, which is right here, and I'm gonna test it, this speaker connecting to this amplifier. It's already connected, you can see, to the channel speaker, as this is a 2.1. so I'm gonna play some songs and check the sound quality of it. As this is a very small speaker, giving it a more power doesn't make it louder or anything like that. That's what I guess. So this amplifier is connected to my mobile right here. You can see using this 3.5 mm card, and I'm gonna play some songs and let's check it out.
Shooting blanks, don't know where my bullets went. Wrist is ice low, credit card is fully spent. I'm being honest, but I truly can. Cough it up, is that what you truly meant? Yeah, I'm bored of you, don't want any more of you. Use the same flow, I'm feeling green just like a more do. I'm talking my shit right now, feel like I'm a woo's here.
Feel like we're falling away.
Okay, so that's the sound of it. Very low sound, like here on this side you can see that's the main volume control. That's like more than 70%, and that's the channel volume. That's I think at 80 to 90%, but still this thing is not even hearable right here as I am listening to the speaker. But I keep my mic too close to the speaker, so the mic can pick up some noise, some sound from the speaker, but it's not hearable at all. So that's the channel sound. Now let me connect this to the subwoofer unit, and let's see if it can pick up some kind of bass, or if I put my mic to the close to the speaker, then my mic can pick up some bass from the speaker or not. So let's check it out. So this thing is connected to the subwoofer terminal right there, and I have already played the song, but cannot hear any bass from that. So let me take the mic close to the speaker and let's check it out if it can pick some bass.